Welcome to Bright Minds Academia. In this episode, you'll be learning about factors. So, what are factors? If a whole number divides into another number without leaving a remainder, that whole number is a factor of the number. For example, 40 divided by 8 is equal to 5, and 40 divided by 5 is equal to 8. So we can say that 8 and 5 are factors of 40. So the number 1, 2, 4, 5, 8, 10, 20, and 40 are all factors of 40. Let's look at another example. Write 40 as a product of two factors in 8 ways. So 40 is equal to 1 times 40 is equal to 2 times 20 is equal to 5 times 8 is equal to 8 times 5 is equal to 10 times 4 is equal to 20 times 2 is equal to 40 times 1 is equal to 4 times 10. So these are the 8 ways of expressing 40 as a product of two factors. In the next episode, we will learn the difference between prime factors and prime numbers. Do well to subscribe to this channel for more amazing videos. Hit the notification bell to get notified anytime we upload a new video. Also like, share, and comment your thoughts and questions. Thank you for watching.